This is a 2021 Ram 2500 Mega Cab Laramie. This has a 6.7 liter turbo diesel engine in it, 4-wheel drive. Inside you have your black leather interior with the Laramie badging. Across the dash you do get the large center screen. This one has 61,000 miles and some change on it, steering wheel controls. Then we get to that big screen in the middle with all of your climate controls on it. Your movable center console for phone holders, phone chargers, extra charging ports. You do have a backup camera with that, several different views. You also have built-in navigation, and up top you do get a sunroof. In the back, the Mega Cab gives you plenty of room. You have 3 seats for guests. Those seats do fold down. And in the back, you do have a 6-foot 4-inch bed, ready for a gooseneck hookup. Come check this one out at Next Level Auto in Hillsboro.